So I am Nathalie Simon, and I will present the Station Biologique de Roscoff observatory site. So what's going on? Okay. So this observatory site is located just across the Western Channel on the western coasts of Brittany in France. And in these observatory sites, both the pelagic, this is in red, and the benthic communities and environments are monitored. So the institutional partners for these observatory sites are CNRS, the CNRS, and also the University of Paris. And within the CNRS, our site belongs to a network of coastal observatories, including Banyuls, within the SOMLIT network, which monitors hydrology of the water column, but also the RESOMAR, which is more a biological observatory network of French stations. So our facilities are similar to facilities in other coastal stations, and in addition to hosting facilities, we provide access to ecosystems through research vessels as well as platforms of different techniques, microscopy, etc. There is also expertise and a cultural collection specialized in phytoplankton. And I will point out also that we have historical data sets with a species list, which are recorded for a long time. And this is all accessible through European programs. So now in terms of context and data sets, in Roscoff, the hydrology is monitored since the 1950s. And in 1997, a set of other parameters were monitored, and now the high-frequency techniques are also used to monitor the hydrology. So all this is done through a network and in a database with standards, national standards. In terms of biology, we follow the microbial community in the pelagic environments, and especially phytoplankton, different size classes. And we just count, using different techniques, these organisms for now more than 10 years. And the data sets are also put in a database, so more or less standardized in a national manner. In terms of genetic data, we did get archive samples in order to monitor the genetic diversity within the key species, and we just store filters to monitor genetic types not accessible through microscopy for key species in our time series. And also we do archive samples for DNA and RNA to monitor the genetic diversity, and just a few of them have been exploited right now. So for the benthic communities, it's monitored since 1977, and it's been analyzed right now. The data sets are also available in a national database, and so this helps working on questions like, is there a pristine state for environments? And I mean, the community of the macrobenthos here is following trends, which kind of says that there's no real pristine, but it's just in evolution all the time. So this is for the macrobenthos series, and there are also genetic data for some of the species of these macrobenthic organisms. So here are the people involved. So the people really involved in the time series are listed here. Eric Thiebaud, who is a benthic specialist, is responsible for the observatory. And a lot of research teams are using these data to work on processes at our observatory site. Thank you.